Hello everyone, this is Rajesh, and today I have a beautiful topic. I hope everyone is good. So today topic is how to win your friends and influence the people. So this is very much related to our real life. If you are trying to be a good leader and good influencer in your real life, then definitely you just follow all those points and get benefit from this video. So let's get start what I want to explain. So first thing is, you just try and try, because if you try to influence, then definitely one day the people will influenced, and just never give up. So if you're not able to influence, means you are in wrong direction, then find the correct people those trying to influence by you, and think like possible. Hope is very important thing uh, through your life journey. So main thing is how to deal with people. So first thing is, if someone did mistake, then don't criticize directly, just help them and tell them you are in right direction. So if you give more efforts, little bit more efforts, then definitely you will do that. So please encourage them like that. And other thing is, you just take others new idea, because sometimes others idea also helpful for your job. So definitely you take a new idea from the others, and after getting those idea, you just appreciate them, because when you appreciate, the people feeling happy internally, and the people feel like I'm valuable in front of you. So that is the point. And second thing is, you just be a good listener. If someone telling their opinion, then just give the chance to explain that. And after explaining, you just ask a question related there what they explained. So you can ask question. This is where he feel like, if someone asking question because of my topic, so definitely he feel valuable. And other thing is, your topic is someone not able to give efforts to listen, then just change the topic, because if you continue the topic, then definitely you lose them, because their interest is something else. So try to speak out with their interest. And you can ask also cross question, what is your interests, so like that, not directly, indirectly. So then they may explain their interest, and you will continue their topic. So that is the thing. And many time you call with name, because in company, if you have a lot of people with you, your community is big, then if you not calling with them name, then they not feel valuable. Actually, calling by name is very valuable thing. So definitely use name. Otherwise you can give one name, funny name, and you just calling each other by that name. So like that, it's a point. And expose their opinion. If someone given their opinion, then try to expose that, if that is helpful. Don't be create create conflict between their opinion and your thought process, because that may helpful for your life. Second thing is, just talking like a friend. So if you want to create a friendly environment, then definitely you will improve very fastly, because friends are sharing each other many things. So you just start talking in starting or onwards like a friend. So many time we face like arguments. So what we just understand how it is happened. So argument happen by two things, like both are giving continuous their opinion, and second thing is both are not talking back. So if you want to win your front person, then first you just take talking back action. After that you just give your point of view. Because if you listen someone, then they also try to listen to you. So that is the point. And discuss with successful people who are, how they achieve their success with their community. So discuss it and take their point also. So that is helpful for you. And how much effectively they working with their group, that is also ask them. So because if you want to productive result, then how much effect in their community, that is more that is matter. So ask that. And main thing is you just accept your mistake, because if you not accept your mistake, then it's create problem like ego type. So don't show your ego, you just accept your mistake, be humble. And whatever you have idea, you just dramatize, because everyone in the society, they express their point like dramatically. So those are the thing. And last one is encourage those people, because if you want to be a leader, encourage others and take responsibility of your community, then it will helpful for you. So this is all about my summary, and today I signing out. Let's comment below how you feel.